Now, most food exporters fail and give up within the first year of business. Here are 5 things to do to ensure you are not a one-year statistics. Number one, don't be a jack of all trade. Your small business is way too small to be able to supply everything. You will have the worst margins as you will consistently buy in small quantities and you will run out of capital, trying to buy equipment needed to process everything. So stick to one item when starting and become the best in that one item. The second step is to define your niche. You see, your niche customer. Here, you determine who to sell to. Do you sell to consumers? Do you sell to retailers? Or do you sell to restaurants? Trying to sell to everyone, even for one product, can be a disaster in building a good marketing strategy. The third step is to create your marketing strategy, obviously. Now, with a well-defined niche, you'll be able to determine the right marketing strategy to deploy to reach a tight segment of the market. The media, the marketing content, the lead generation will differ depending on your niche. The fourth step is mapping out my 5 systems that ensure consistency. Now, with your niche defined, your next task, which is the fourth step, is how to ensure consistency in the quality of your products. And you will need a well-defined sourcing system, a receiving system, a processing system, a labeling and documentation system, and a recall system. I've talked more about this in earlier videos, so check them out on this page. Subscribe and it will automatically be shown to you. Now, the fifth thing to do is to find a reliable shipping partner. Here you are looking for one who will deliver your shipment when they say they will. Poor delivery kills buyers' trust, so this basically means having a reliable shipper who understands how to get your export shipments to your buyers on time. You see, with these 5 things in place, you will quickly build a reliable cash flow system that will keep your business profitable many years into the future. So go ahead, subscribe and follow me for more information on how to build a successful food export business. I also have a course where I teach new exporters how to start an export business. I'll leave a link in the description for you to sign up.